morning. Today is Saturday, March 6, 2021, early in the morning, 4:16. This direction which I am showing you is east. This is the true north, and then this is west, and it is south. Let's go back to the east. What are all the interesting objects which we can observe at this time early in the morning? You can look at there. With the naked eye also it's visible. Light blue and light greenish flashy star called Shravana Nakshatra. Just go little bit up, and if you see the Scorpio constellation, which is very easily recognizable pattern, where in the Scorpio constellation the moon is there, nearby little bit reddish in color star which you can very easily recognize is called Jyeshta Nakshatra. So moon is today in Jyeshta Nakshatra. Little bit you go up overhead, which you can see another star which is Swati Nakshatra. It is easy to see through naked eye. Come down little bit down towards the east where you have noticed it Shravana Nakshatra. Take a left side. You can see the Vega star. Once upon a time, people have believed that as a northern star. I mean, similar to Polaris. There are so many stories about it, which is called as Abhijit star, which is visible. These are the prominent stars which are visible in the eastern sky at this present. Let's move to the northern sky. True north belongs to the star where you have Polaris, which is also called as Dhruva Nakshatra in our context. So always treat this as a reference whenever you are in the night sky to recognize the north. Then right of it is east. From Dhruva Nakshatra, if you draw a straight line to reaching to the two stars, which is Kratu and Pulaha, which are the part of seven star, which is also called as Canis Major, and this Polaris is called as Canis Minor. It's a small bear, and this is a big bear or a big dipper. Kratuhu, Pulaha, Pulastya, Atri, Angira, Vasishta, Marichi. These are the seven Saptarshi, but some people may question why not Agastya is in this one. To show that little bit description, let's go to the southern sky. Actually, Agastya is visible not in the early morning, early in the evening. You can look at it. Agastya is set below the horizon in the southern sky. So Agastya is not part of the seven stars which we see here. If I repeat it, Kratu, Pulaha, Pulastya, Atri, Angirasa, Maricha and Vasishta. Vasishta is Arundhati considered to be the best couple which are shown in the Indian context whenever there is a marriage. So this is important thing which you can see in the northern sky. Let's look at the western sky. What do we see at this moment in the western sky? Magha Nakshatra you can see, which is in the Leo constellation, which is also called Regulus. Same way little bit up if you go, it is called Chitra, which is also called as a Spica in Virgo constellations. These two important things which we can see through naked eye. And if you go to the southern sky, actually we learn in our school which is the nearest star is Alpha Centauri. This is what you are seeing is Alpha Centauri in the Centaurus constellation. So this is how you can have a look at some of the interesting stars in the sky. Now if you look at it, Saturn is rising up. Jupiter, Venus, Sun will come by around 6 o'clock. Have a look at the sky every day, either in the evening half an hour or early in the morning. You can try to figure out the stars in Indian context as well as in English context. Bye bye.